Hey guys, I didn't really see you there. I'm back at Extreme Powerhouse. Today I'm actually going to be reviewing the Mastery of Art and Design carbon intake for the BMW G80 G82 models. So I'm going to break this down for you guys, show you what's inside, show you all the components on this beauty, and then we're going to take it to the shop to get it installed. So let's go see what's in here. And as you guys know, Mad's really starting to become one of my favorite brands out there just because of the quality. I mean, look at this beauty. Wow. And for the price that they offer on these products, can't really do better in terms of quality. Look at this guy. Love the color, love the finish. Amazing carbon fiber.
Keeping your engine cool is important. A closed intake does that job perfectly. Now usually that means less noise, which is a bummer, but Mad has got you covered. They've added 3 open vents to this intake box so you'll get the best of both worlds. Cool air for the engine, and amazing sound for your ears.
All right guys, one final thing before we head over to the install. Let me whip out my partner in crime here. Cameraman, bring this in. I want to show you guys something. Look at that, almost 4 inches. Guys, that's huge, right? The bigger the hole, the better the airflow. And you know what they say? The bigger the hole,
A small but very important detail is that the filter used on this intake is reusable, so that you won't have to go and buy new filters every year. You can just clean it and it's as good as new. That's it for the MAD carbon fiber cold air intake overview and installation. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to avoid missing out on any of the fun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.